Do you feel stuck in mastering HighLevel? Are you struggling to automate your business with HighLevel? Or thinking of canceling a HighLevel subscription because you've wasted money and time to learn HighLevel but nothing is working out? We get it. Mastering HighLevel is not an easy task. But what if I told you there's a solution to start mastering HighLevel as little as one day? Introducing the HighLevel Mastery Course. I'm Benjamin Kepner, CEO of Global Social Media Marketing and Suite Courses and a HighLevel partner. We have successfully served 100 plus clients to set up, manage, and automate HighLevel accounts. Now we're taking the initiative to educate everyone out there like you who is eager to learn and master HighLevel. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting in, this course is your key to mastering the powerful features and functionalities of GoHighLevel. Our HighLevel course includes 20 video lessons that guide you step-by-step for setting up HighLevel, A2P registration, importing and exporting contacts, creating and launching email campaigns, migrating your website, creating sales funnels, forms and surveys, creating snapshots, building workflows to automate tasks, creating pipelines, and more. Our HighLevel course doesn't only include video lessons, but also gives you free access to the 4 workflows, HighLevel automation checklist, and ChatGPT prompt for AI templates. You will get 1 free HighLevel partner strategy call with me and access to the student networking group. You can enhance your skills with exercises and quizzes, and the opportunity to earn a digital badge certification for demonstrating your expertise in HighLevel to the World Wide Web. The total worth value of our HighLevel Mastery course is $1,597, but we will only charge you $297 for a limited time. So you're waiting for what? Let's enroll for the HighLevel Mastery course and stop wasting time and money on learning HighLevel alone. Let's embark on this transformational journey together. See you inside the course.